Somebody mention birds? Thaibirdspot. Hi there buddies, and welcome back to the channel. And first I'd like to say Happy New Year to all my followers, and if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Anyway, what do we have today? Today, this is a Greater Coucal. The Greater Coucal, or sometimes known as the crow pheasant, is a large, non-parasitic member of the cuckoo family and a resident breeder here in Thailand. Greater Coucals are actually quite weak flyers and are often seen clambering around in vegetation or walking around on the ground as they forage for insects, eggs, nestlings of other birds, and are also often seen eating carrion. They have a familiar deep resonant call, which is, unluckily for them, associated with many omens and bad luck throughout its range. In British India, they were often mistaken for pheasants and shot, and also, unluckily for them, their flesh was also once eaten as a folk cure for tuberculosis and pulmonary ailments. Bit unlucky for such a cool looking bird, really. As I said, the Greater Coucal is a non-parasitic breeder of the cuckoo family. The nest materials are loosely woven, and close leaves and stems and branches are bent and woven directly to the structure of the nest without cutting them. So the nest always remains green and perfectly concealed amongst the vegetation. The eggs are incubated by both sexes, and also the young are also fed by both. Anyway, as we always say, if you want to see the bird, learn the sound. Well, that's just about it for another little video. As I say, this one on the Greater Coucal. So I'd just like to wish all my subscribers and followers a very happy and prosperous new year, and look forward to gaining some more subscribers in the new year. Happy New Year, folks. See you on the next one. Bye for now.